Buenos dias. I hope everything's going good for you. This is HODIYAH'S Hacienda. We're going to, there we go. I had the magnification up because I was looking at the horses. Now we're going to go check the pájaros cage again before we put them up for the night. And see if there's anything in the places. I don't see anything down there. And there's one right there. Okay. So today we got 4. Like I said, they're averaging between 3 and 4, sometimes 5 a day. And we have about 12 hens, laying hens. And they're laying in the middle of winter. That's Chaya. That's one of them right there. And that's Moraya. And there's her sister. And then there's Tranquila. There's Saraya, the Pata. And there's Amit and Bataks. You say, why would you name chickens Amit or Pataks? And would you like to know the answer? Because just because they're chickens doesn't mean they have to be cowards. They can be bold and courageous. And they need to be bold and courageous because out in here, these are free range, free chickens. So they have to go up against all kinds of things: skunks, raccoons, wolves, coyotes. And so they need to be courageous and bold and brave, but also to be at peace and joy and enjoy their lives. And may you be at peace and may you be blessed with joy through the Prince of Peace. Amen.